Argument and parameters. What is argument? What is parameters? Here we will see the difference between them. Okay. So argument, value or values passed to the function during a function call statement. That means in the function call statements we will use it argument. Arguments, another name is called actual parameter or actual argument. Whenever actual has written, means user will provide this value. So that is why it is called actual value, right? Actual value. And when in the function call, so in the function call statement we will call to the argument. Okay, now come to the parameter. Parameter, it will receive, this value will received in the function header. So function call, in the functions call, argument, and function header, parameter. Okay, both are same, argument and parameter both are same, but name is different. Okay, so parameters also is called formal parameters or formal arguments. Whenever formal word is given, just like a formality, we are telling that now in the human way, just like a formality I'm doing, I'm not interested at all, but I'm doing as a formality because she is my teacher, so that's why I'm giving the respect, like that. Okay, so same things here is also, it is not actual value, it will just passed by the function call statement. So that's why it is received in the function header. So which one is function header? Whenever we'll create the function through the def we'll create the function. So here this variable is called, what is called? Parameter. And this parameter, from where it will come? Through the argument. So this is called function call, this sum, and xy as an argument we are passing here. From here we are passing, and this data, whenever it will go, so then it will come to the, what is that? Receiving that data, and now its name is changed, it is called parameter, right? So first we'll define the function, define sum a comma b, two parameters I have taken, then afterwards we are adding the value s equal to a plus b, print. Whenever print command I am calling, that means in this function no return value. This functions will no return any value. Okay, so sum of two numbers, this is s. Now two parameters I am passing, so that means two value I need. Okay, so two values, that is why x and y I am taking as an input command, and then afterwards this sum functions call I will call function header name and function calling, both are same name. If you will just like in the capital and small is also, if you will change it, then it will not work, remember that. Okay, because Python is case sensitive language. Then xy I have written as a input command. So in the input variable I have taken xy, so that's why in the argument also I will write this variables only. This variable only xy, suppose as an input variable I have taken xy, and if I will write here c comma d, it will work? No, it will not work, right? So that is why xy, it will maybe error will not generate, but you will not get the any result. So xy, and this x, that means a, and y for b. So xy I am passing through the function call statement. So and then in the function header it will x, that means a, and y, that means b. For first variable, first parameters, second variable, second parameter, like this. So enter the first number, taken 5. So x value is what? 5. Y value is 7. So 7 plus 5, how much will come? That is 12 will come, right? So that is why output will generate 12. So this is the argument and parameters. But remember that students, here one place is written parameter, one place is written argument. But that times you just check it actual has written or not. Whenever actual word is given, so that is argument. they're talking about of the argument only, and whenever formal has written, so then we are talking about in the parameters only. That means functions header. Sometimes suppose has given some functions has given in the some function, just like this function has given, and then ask the question that which one is the formal argument. Okay, which one is the formal argument? So in this function, in this function, which one is the formal argument? So here in the formal argument is which one? A comma B. Okay, don't tell that arguments, that means x comma y. Don't see that from the argument. Arguments I already, argument means whenever functions calling, that times we are telling argument. But whenever functions receiving in the functions header, that is called parameters. But actual word whenever has given, so that times it is called actual parameters or actual arguments. Okay, suppose a function is given, then asking that in this function which one is the actual parameter. So actual parameters is which one? X and y. This is the actual parameters, right?